In this video, I'm going to show you the append functionality in Mesh Morpher, and we're going to append a mesh to a bone, and we will also transfer weights when we append the mesh. So let's get this started. We will open a mesh, we will open a MetaHuman head, and now we can go ahead and click on append meshes. Here we have the ability to pick an asset, and we will search for our mesh we want to append. We can click on add, and now our mesh is in this list. If we select the mesh, we also have a gizmo that will allow us to reposition the mesh wherever we want if it's not correctly positioned, right? So keep that in mind. You can also reposition. If you hold shift and move the gizmo, it will just offset it. If you release shift, it will move the mesh. Once you've selected the right position and you're happy with what the mesh looks like, you can do two things. You can select the parent bone or transfer weights. In our case, in our first example, we will pick a parent bone, right? So we will pick head bone. Head is part of the skeleton, and we want transfer weights because we want our appended mesh to get its rotation from our head bone. So let's click on append, and now our mesh is appended. If we go to poser and we rotate any bone, let's select our neck bone here, we will see that our appended mesh is weighted to the head bone, and it gets its position and rotation from the head bone. So this is one thing, and now we can go ahead and go for the second example, where we append the mesh, but we transfer weights. So we can do the same thing. We can reposition if the mesh is not positioned correctly. In our case, we will append eyebrows, right? If we deselect the parent bone, the parent bone is set to none, but we have transfer weights enabled, and click on append. Now we can see that our eyebrows are also part of the mesh, and if we trigger expression, they will move with the expression, right? Because the weights are transferred from our MetaHuman to our appended mesh. If you need to remove whatever you've added, you can always do that. You go to remove mesh data. It's near append mesh, and you can select your sections and click on remove, and then apply. So you can always add sections, add meshes. You can remove them very easy with Mesh Morpher. And this is it for this video, guys. This was a very short video. I hope you like this functionality in Mesh Morpher, and see you around. Bye.